Good morning. How are you? People of the Philippines, people around the globe. Hello, how are you? It's me, Reggie. For today's video, for today's video, because the last time I have unboxed this, I'm not able to show you what's inside or even taste it. So for today's video, I am going to share with you this this one. Tana! Glad na tayo. Actually, last night I have taste because I cannot wait to try this. And now I am making a video, a short video, showing you and boasting you of what's this kind of collagen. Okay, so let's try now. Okay. This is how it look like. Very nice smell. It's like a bubble gum. Actually, it's a strawberry flavor, but it's like a bubble gum. It's a strawberry flavor, yes. It's like a bubble gum. Look, my hands is very dirty because I have, but I already sanitized my hand. Okay, let's pick one. Wait. Let's pick one. I'm just loving this kind of. This is how it look like. Oh, sorry for my hand because I'm just cleaning. I'm sorry for my hand, very dirty. Wait, I'm so sorry because I was really doing hard cleaning today, so that's why my hand is really very dirty, but I have already sanitized it. So this is how it looked like. It's very cute. As you can see my post, I have also I am cleaning for the whole morning, so you see my hand. But please don't take a look at my hand. So this one, oh, close up. So now we will taste it. Actually, it's yummy. Actually, it's written there written at the back that you only need to take two gummies daily, not more. So I take one, and later I take other because I have other collagen that I have bought last time, which is this one, the dark blueberry flavor. Also, it's also a gummy. I have already thrown the packaging material, so I cannot anymore show you what is this kind of gummy collagen. I'm very sorry of that. So later, after like afternoon or evening, I will take one because this you just only need to take two every day, and if it's more, then it will be useless because it will. If it's too much, if you're taking too much, it will not anymore also consider. So that will be a waste of. It's a waste if you take too much. So just take your time. I take one in the evening and I take already one on this. So that's it for today's video, guys. And I hope, yes, I hope to see you again. Ciao. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And it's very nice if you can also hit the bell button so that you will be updated on my whereabouts. Thank you so much. Happy weekend. Bye.